everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing our mystery kit for January, and I'm going to be showing you our 3 different kit style options as well. We have the standard, the Hobonichi Cousin Weekly and Journal kit, and then we have the decorative kit. If you have not signed up for our mystery subscription and you would like to do so, spots are open today. I put the link in the description below. These kits are exclusive to just the mystery subscription. So if you do not want to miss out on a style of one of our mystery kits, make sure to sign up today. First, let's start with the standard subscription. So with our mystery kit, you get a little bonus item. We have a washi sticker paper piece. We have some leopard print dividers in rose gold foil. We have some leopards and some more little overlay leopard pieces that are shaped a bit differently. We have a couple of watercolor swatches and a few bows. And for the kit, here's the first page with the full box stickers. So lots of leopard. We have cute little leopard babies cuddled up with some, it looks like a blanket or ribbon around them. This box says you are loved. And then over here we have some chic leopard heels and some perfume, this love sign, and some coffee, and the date on the calendar says February 14th for Valentine's Day. I love this double box scene. We have a couch with some popcorn and snacks. We have like a leopard canvas in the background, and I love the foil overlay. It's like curtains hanging down and framing the boxes. And then we have some sweets on this page. Then we have our Monday through Sunday stickers and our washi stickers. So here the foil is actually hearts, and I like the background, the ombre with the pink. And then we have the leopard here. So this would go really well for like Valentine's Day. And then we have a couple of more full boxes. This has love on it with the balloon, and then we have a couple of other leopards that are underneath a tree that has hearts in it. We have our Monday through Sunday box for tracking, and then some layering pieces over here, the heart date dots, the weekend script, and more layering pieces. Then we have our flags, more layering pieces, the 3 boat checklist boxes, and some circles below there. Next page we have some scallop dividers, some bow dividers, scallop half circles, and then some thinner washi strips. I love the art style of the hearts here. And this has like a marble effect down below. Our functional page where we have our different header boxes and our habit trackers in the middle. Our headers and glitter headers to help organize and break up the page that you're working on. It says to do today, exercise, work this week, meals. And then this is the deco page. So we have a couple of fashion girls wearing leopard. Like this looks like a leopard onesie, kind of looks like a pajama. And then over here, leopard top with some pink pants. And we have some leopards hanging out. We have some coffee, some florals. I love this ring right here. It looks very shiny. And then the last page, we have some icons in the Fashion Girl boxes. For the Fashion Girl boxes, we have her dressed up differently. I love her hair here with the bow headband and holding the leopard and the matching sunglasses. That's really cool. And over here for the icons, we have things such as like the computer, mail, trash, and then some script too, like urgent, read, tasks. So this is the standard kit for our mystery kit. Next, I'm going to show you our journal / Hobonichi cousin. So when you go onto our website to check the listing out for our mystery subscription, it shows the different options that you can select from. So after watching this video, you'll have more of a feel of what would work best for you and your planner. I do have the link below in the description box to our website, so you can check that out after this video. So again, this is the Hobonichi cousin / journal kit subscription, and this also has that same sheet on the washi sticker paper. And then the first page, we have the full boxes. They're just not as tall or wide. They fit perfectly in the weekly section of a Hobonichi cousin planner. So here's the first page, and we've seen this artwork before. Next page, we have the Monday through Sunday and washi again. And then after that, this page is more of the journal style page where we have the torn, ripped edge pieces. And then we have the glitter headers that are sized to fit into the Hobonichi cousin weekly. We have some bows down here. The next page, we have some layering pieces that can also be used kind of like as sticky notes to write in. We have the date dots. We have some arrows, the weekend script. Then this is the same page as well, but just sized to fit in the Hobonichi cousin weekly. And then we have the deco page, that's the same. And then lastly, we have this other deco page that the deco is enlarged because it's bigger, which fits with the journal aspect. I love how you can see more of the detail with the artwork with it being bigger. Like, for example, the heart ring. I love the February 14th calendar right there page. So this is the journal kit. And lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative, which is pretty different from what I've shown you so far. For the decorative mystery kit, it is all on the washi sticker paper. So if you like the texture and the look of the washi sticker paper, I do recommend this. So again, we have that add-on, like what was in the other ones. And then our first page, we have some swatches. So it has the artwork that we saw before too. Like we have the love decoration. We have the leopards cuddled up. You are loved. But the shape is different. It's like torn, swatched. And kind of like, yeah, it has that torn paper effect. Next page, we have some more swatches. So this is the living room scene. That's on a big swatch. Then we have some of the fashion girls over here. A couple of little washi strips, and then an overlay sticker. Then we have our mystery border page. So we have the leopard on the top, we have the marble in the middle, and then down here we have the love sign. Then we have the first decorative page where we have the deco pieces with the fashion girls and the leopards and the perfume and such. And then we have another decorative sheet with the love sign, the balloon with the heart. And then we have the third deco sheet, which is more floral, has more florals on it. We have a camera, a stack of books, looks like some macaroons. And then lastly, we have the Terrible Washi page, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So we have the leopard in the background, and we also have foiled leopard on the top, and it's just so shiny. So with this, you take the top where it's pre-cut, and you tear the paper, the sticker, in whatever shape you want it, and put it in your journal or planner. So this is the decorative bundle, and those are all the different kit types that you can get for our mystery subscription. If you've not signed up for that yet, spots are open now for a limited amount of time, so make sure to check the listing below in the description. If you'd like to stay updated on our shop and the stickers that we come out with and such, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Comment below what you think of January's mystery kit. We love to hear your thoughts. I hope that you're all having a wonderful beginning of 2026, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.